Have you ever envisioned turning your cake into a personalized masterpiece? IcingInks Topper Image Cake Printer promises to make that dream a reality. If you desire a cake printer that goes beyond basic designs, this review explores the unique features that set the IcingInks Topper apart. When it comes to edible printing precision and vibrant colors, this printer leads the way. Discover how it transforms your cakes into delightful canvases, adding a personalized touch to every celebration. The IcingInks Topper Image Cake Printer is an exceptional all-in-one printer that sets the standard as the best choice for cake decorators and bakers in 2024. With a set of 5 IcingInks brand cartridges, it produces vibrant and lifelike colors that effortlessly make your cake design stand out. It comes with 12 sugar frosting and 25 wafer sheets, providing an ample supply of materials to fuel your creative confections. The Printhead Cleaning Flush Kit ensures long-lasting performance, while the enhanced Printhead Flush Cleaning Kit Pro bundle system takes your maintenance to the next level. The IcingInks Topper Image Cake Printer features a compact and efficient design with dimensions of 20 by 20 by 10 inches, making it perfect for any workspace. With weighing just 20 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and stability. The Cake Image Editing software provides a lifetime of opportunities, empowering you to customize your designs to perfection effortlessly. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, you can bring your creative vision to life with ease. And that's not all. As a bonus, you'll also receive 3 months of template editing software, adding an extra layer of versatility to your creative process. This means you'll have even more tools at your disposal to explore and experiment with different design ideas. The IcingInks Topper Image Cake Printer revolutionizes the confectionery world effortlessly, combining precision and creativity. Take your cake decoration to new heights with this groundbreaking tool, which sets a new standard for edible image printing, ensuring unparalleled design precision and artistry. If you're interested in this printer, check out the link in the description box below.